Hi everyone, today we've received this parcel in the mail. It's a magnetic screen for fly wire for this door here. Pauline, do you want to say a little bit more about this before I open it?
Yeah, we looked at a few products online, as anyone who buys stuff is all online. We got a really good recommendation from a company here in Queensland called Living in a Bubble. They're actually vanners themselves, so to me, they would know what they're talking about.
Yeah, I remember talking about it, discussing it. Yeah.
So it's magnetic, as Karen said. It's got a opening for the side. Delivered here in Victoria, it was $219. We'll open it up, but a couple of things that really attracted to this product was there was a no fixed installation. We liked that. They said it was super easy to install. We loved that. And it can be left in place. So yeah, so we quite like that too. So, and they come with back doors, side doors and windows. We only just at the moment bought the side door. So yeah, we'll open it up and then we'll set the camera up again and we'll see how easy it is to install.
I get to open it up this time.
You get to open it up.
You usually open up everything we get.
It's usually opened up before Karen gets home. So there we go. Nicely packed.
Yeah, it actually looks really good.
Yeah, it looks like
Nice.
it's actually in its own bag.
Do you want me to take it out of this?
Take that out of the plastic. Yeah, it's in. Just to let you know too, we didn't get any discount on this product. We kind of just like to review it and give an honest, without any bias to the product. We kind of like to test it out.
Well, we need something.
Yeah, we do need something.
And you know, this looks really good actually.
Yeah, it's got its own bag.
Yeah, that's handy.
Yeah.
If we did want to take it down.
Yeah.
I like it.
Just looks like a proper screen.
Yeah. Gee, and they handmade it themselves. It's their business, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's their business, yeah.
That's right. I remember you saying that. Oh, what was that?
There's just little sticky strips, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, we'll put you on.
Wow, absolutely perfect. You couldn't want any better. It's just covers the whole door.
How easy.
It was simple, you
Super
know.
easy.
I would really recommend these people on Redbubble. Pauline will put a
I'll put a link
Yeah.
in my video to their website. Very well made.
Is this just suited for this vehicle?
It's suited for a big range of vehicles. I think there were
Yeah.
Toyotas, smaller, not so high vans, right down to short Hyundais.
So obviously you just tell them the
Yeah.
make and model of the
Yeah.
vehicle that you've got.
And or you select your make and model, but I think I just picked high van, and yeah, it fits Mercedes Sprinters. Yeah, real easy, eh?
I just can't believe how awesome it is.
And to get in the door, you just open it up and climb in.
How good's that?
Yeah, and close it back again. Or
Just kick it into place.
virtually.
It's awesome. Well
Yeah.
worth the money.
Yeah, I think Karen, it's important to tell them that we did try the Bunnings one.
We did buy a Bunnings one and we couldn't even get it up.
Yes.
It was too small and it was pointless and we
Not as
threw it out.
not as great quality either.
You know,
these virtually just.
I think these people make it. It's their living, isn't
Yeah.
it? They make it. They do it as a living, and it's
Yeah.
brilliant.
I'm really
Absolutely
happy.
Brilliant. I'm ecstatic because I'm the one that gets bitten by mosquitoes. So
Yeah. Oh well,
yeah, awesome.
good product.